I've been shopping for summer outfits recently. Today I'm going to make a video to style Zara and H&M items to suit people with short legs like me. I'm about 5'2" to 5'3" tall, about 158 centimeters, short legs with long torso. It basically looks like this. I personally have wide hips and thick thighs. If you don't want to go out and show those beasts, let's hide that area with summer fashions together. First, wear high-waisted bottom and skirts. High-waisted bottom and skirts are the best friends of long torso and short legs. Aim for skirts and pants that go just above your natural waist. This makes your legs look longer by giving the impression that your legs start where your waist is. Number 2, tucking in. Tucking a top into a high-waisted pants will give the illusion of longer legs and to create a visually shorter waistline. Number 3, wear one piece. Jumpsuits and rompers. Jumpsuits, playsuits, and rompers are an excellent style for people searching for clothes for long torso and short legs. One-piece style will make it harder for people to see where your upper part ends and where your shorter legs start. It creates a vertical line that elongates your legs. As I mentioned before, always look for high-waisted style that will skim over your waist for perfect balance. Number 4, wear cropped jackets and tops. Tops, sweaters, and jackets that ends anywhere from your waist to just above your hips will shorten your body and lengthen your legs. Throw in cropped jackets that are well-shaped and end near your waist for busy days. Number 5, the secret to make your long torso less noticeable is to divert the attention to your neckline instead. Highlight your upper body with an off-shoulder top, a statement necklace, or an embellished collar. Number 6, shorts and skirts. Remember, the longer the shorts are, the shorter your legs look. If you are wearing a skirt, go for an A-line one or the round ones with lots of volume at the end. This will give your legs a nice contrast and make them look slim. Number 7, dresses. Go for empire cuts or baby doll dresses. This style of dress is generally loose in the skirts with a fitted bodice that ends immediately beneath your bust. This proportioning elongates your body and disguises short legs. Number 8, wear plain color. Plain color gives the illusions of long leg. Wearing the same color on more than one part of your body will help to disguise where your leg starts and ends. Number 9, shoes. Go for shoes with high heels to give the impressions of long legs. If you are petite like me, it may be a good idea to check out the petite section of stores because they have clothes cuts especially to dress a petite woman's figure in the most flattering way, and they might work well for you. There are lots of ways to dress our body well, and these are just few tips on how to make the best of what you can have for the season. I hope these tips help. See you next time. Bye bye!